Hi, today I'd like to show you Will the Circle Be Unbroken? This is an old gospel tune that most people have heard. Johnny Cash did a version of it, I guess, at some point. But it's been around for a long, long time. One of the advantages of doing a song that you've heard a lot when you're playing slide is you know whether you're playing the note right in pitch or not, because you're much more familiar with it than you might be if you're playing a blues or something brand new that you're not familiar with. I'm tuned to open G today, G, D, G. I'll play a bit of it for you. I'm going to show you how to play it very, very simply, just the melody first. And then I'll show you how to add in a couple chords to make it a little bit fancier. There it is, just a plain melody. Starts off on the middle string, open, and then 2, and then the high string twice. Then 4, 2, open, back to 4, and then 4, 2, open, and then 2 on the still all on the high string. Open, 2 in the middle, middle open. I'm going to do that, what I just did, very, very slow so you can play along with me. If that's too many notes all at once for you, just play part of it. Maybe just practice that part, and then add the rest of it when you're more comfortable with it. Now the second part of the song, you might say, go right to the 4. That started the same. Open, 2, high, twice. Now we're going right to 4, and then to 7, twice. Then this is the ending. That's 0, 2, 4 on the high string. 4, 0, 2. And then 4, slide to 2. Open. The chords we're going to use to back ourselves up today, or to add in to just make it sound a little fuller, are G, C on the 5th fret, and D. So now we're going to add in these chords in very useful places. Start the song off right there with a high open string, which you're going to hit twice. That's a good chance to sort of do a pinch and let your first finger come in and get the chord. And this way the melody note stays strong. go to the open. That note is the same as the 5th fret on the middle string. So you can actually do a chord. So I'll play that for you. And another thing I'm going to do there too is when I get to here, instead of jumping back to here for the 2, I'm going to get the 2 on the 7 on the middle string here. So it's not a 2 anymore, now it's a 7, but it's the same note. It'll make more sense if I demonstrate it. And you do have the choice to hit the notes afterwards, the melody note. You can do it like that, but in that particular part, I like to add them in afterwards. Now the second part of the song. Now here, I'm going to go 4, open. I'm going to hit that 2, but I want to hit it up here, but with all the strings. I'll play that part for you. I'll play that whole bit with the harmony notes. I hope you have fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.